this guy is saying, see, there's a girl in my gym and she keeps farting all the time.
Okay.
And she's pretty hot. Okay. He's even mentioned that. She's
What a
hot.
combination.
The problem is, I want to tell her that, see, this is bothering me, this is annoying me. Like, how should you do that?
He'll answer.
Say your butt is nice, but whatever your butt does, that doesn't look nice.
Take a and go somewhere else, please.
Girls don't fart.
Yeah, girls don't fart.
They don't fart. It's a universal fact.
Myth, no?
No, we don't fart. We don't. We don't.
Only rainbows and unicorns.
Yes, unicorns with all the glitter around. So yeah.
Really? Girls don't fart? Acha. So this time we decided to take some of your most interesting and wacky questions to the Grub Fest, which was held in New Delhi. So guys, like every time, sit back, relax and enjoy the ride. See, there's a girl in my gym, okay? She keeps farting but she's hot. Okay? And it's kind of disgusting. How do I tell her this that this is quite annoying?
Does he seriously needs to tell this to her?
He's getting bothered.
Suggest if she wants some Hajmola.
That's gonna pollute the atmosphere even more, I feel this.
Tell her not to squat. Tell her not to squat because she'll not fart then.
Just go fart on her.
And make her realize.
Yeah, you stink, you smell. Call her out on it. Just be like, what the f?
के सामने जाके फाड़ करो, अगर वो कुछ बोले तो उसको भी फिर अच्छा टॉन्ट मार दो कि तू भी तो करते हमने कुछ बोला,
तो बैलेंस कर दो।
बैलेंस हिसाब रहे।
उनको बोलना कि योगा पैंट ना पहने,
योगा पैंट
ना पहने,
क्यों?
क्योंकि बबल बनता है।
I think position change कर लेनी चाहिए अपनी exercise की। Probably ऐसे बोलना चाहिए और probably ऐसे बोलना चाहिए. You smell really nice. What's the secret? What perfume?
बता देना चाहिए ये लड़के को।
नहीं यार, ना चाहिए वो
बहुत
कुछ.
awkward हो जाएगा।
हाँ, बहुत
जाएगा बट बता देना चाहिए कोई नहीं.
आपको लगता है आप ये बोल सकते हो कि
इसको बोल सकता हूँ.
ठीक है, but किसी random को
I think there's no way how to tell her. She'll take her on her ego and never talk to that guy again ever.
One day he should fart in front of her, and so that it makes her realize that how disgusting it is to fart in front of
make her
others.
realize basically. So there's this guy, he's saying, see, I have a girlfriend and recently her brother found out about us, okay? And he even read our chats, okay? So the problem is, now he wants to beat me. Okay, should I pull up a fight with him or should I just ignore or like what do I do now?
It's better he runs off.
Runs off.
Yeah.
लड़ाई करनी चाहिए.
हाँ, लड़ाई कर लेनी चाहिए.
If he wants the girl, तो नहीं लड़ना चाहिए ना.
नहीं, थोड़े मजा तो आएगा. कहानी में ट्विस्ट होना चाहिए ना.
No fight.
लड़ाई मत करो.
लड़ाई मत करो. पता चले गर्लफ्रेंड ही अगेंस्ट हो जाए. तूने मेरे भाई को कैसे मारा?
भाई की बंदी की चैट पढ़ लो.
I think if he's read the chat, so definitely fight back because he'll not let him live him. Yeah, brothers are like that, Yeah, but then I think talking is a better option. I believe. Yeah.
At the end उसकी वो बहन ही है. अगर वो fight करेगा तो उस बहन को भी सफर करना पड़ेगा.
Take him out to a beer, man. Nah.
So like that brother needs to lighten up first of all, and he needs to smoke up.
I think he should fight.
You should fight.
Yeah.
I think he should just talk to his brother and say that, listen, I like your woman and I'm going to take very good care of her. You don't have anything to worry about, my friend, okay?
That's the solution. Yeah.
And fighting is not the solution.
And if he still wants to fight him after that, then yeah, f him up.
तुम्हारे अगर सोचो गर्लफ्रेंड के भाई ने तुम्हें धमकी दे दी.
और मैसेजेस भी क्या क्या हो सकता है पता ही होता है.
मिलेगी नहीं ना.
I would probably face that guy.
If you point है यार
Wants
लड़ाई
the
करो.
girl, then obviously.
I would have actually beaten that guy. It's
Yeah, calm down to your ego, man.
No. Look at my build, dude.
अब भाई ज़्यादा बनेगा तो फिर हम भी कम थोड़ी हैं.
Okay, man, listen, I really like your sister. She's a beautiful girl. I have all the best intentions. I'd love to take care of her. Will you give me the chance to prove to you that I can take care of her and you don't have anything to worry about?
Be a gentleman and
Exactly, of course.
I suppose कि उसके भाई को भी एक बंदी ला के दे दो.
हाँ, ये अच्छा सजेशन है. भाई को भी एक बंदी ला के दे.
अगर सच्चा प्यार है तो करना तो पड़ेगा ना सब.
अच्छा प्यार. Since we guys are at Grub Fest, what is food porn? What does it mean?
Food porn.
Yes, what is food porn?
What is
Food porn. What does it mean?
food porn?
What does it mean?
Okay.
Everybody talks about it. We're in a
yeah.
quest to know, yaar. What
Yeah,
exactly?
yeah. Even I am doing my final project on food porn. That is the biggest reason that I am here.
That is the most absurd thing ever. Food porn is the worst thing you'll ever see on internet.
I think any food when it's 2 a.m. in the night, any food is food porn.
Whenever we see a porn, we we feel like having sex, right? So whenever we see a tasty food, our minds
we feel like having
it. So it is related to that. It is like food orgasm.
फूड हटा दो तो पूछ लो.
हाँ वो तो पता ही होगा है ना.
It's basically food. When you look at it, it gives you tingles and you feel something inside. So I think that's.
Why would anyone attach or associate the word porn next to it? Why would anyone associate the word porn with? How is it mean?
नया ज़माना कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
Porn भी मतलब
Porn भी चाहिए, food भी चाहिए.
हाँ चाहिए.
Necessity.
Both are necessary.
Better than sex, orgasms. You're getting orgasms. Yeah.
Indian people are too obsessed with porn. Too obsessed with porn.
I am not really that foodie. You eat 3 times.
अरे सारे polls अभी नहीं खोल रहे.
No, I do eat 3 times, but I won't say कि I'm that foodie कि मुझे हर जगह जाके I have to taste everything and anything.
Tasty food or like you want to eat it off each other. I don't know.
If the food is orgasmic, then obviously like food porn.
You get orgasms having.
Obviously like not literally orgasms, but like it's like melt in the mouth. Like you're like salivating. So obviously.
Is there really a need to put a word porn next to?
हवाबाजी और क्या है?
मुझे तो नहीं लगता कोई मानने वाला.
यही ऑडी चला ली कार porn.
I was just saying that sarcastically. Hashtag food porn. मैं खुद hashtags use करती हूँ. That's me being very bad, but I think something that's so yummy that it just takes you to a different kind of high.
This is the most suitable, apt word you can relate.
You can relate to.
So guys, since we are at Grub Fest, I want you guys to describe yourself with one food item which would suit your personality the best. Let's start with you.
Biryani.
I think waffle will suit me the best.
Momos.
मसाले वाला chicken tikka.
I would describe myself as French fries.
I am a die-hard fan of Calcutta biryani.
Burger.
Burger, हाँ, दिख रहा है. महाराजा मैक.
स्ट्रॉबेरी.
Strawberry, क्यों भाई?
उसको अच्छी लगती है.
छोले भटूरे.
छोले भटूरे.
Chicken tikka
Tikka chicken roll.
Why?
because it has a lot of masala in it and it's kind of thin.
Nice and soft on the outside, but hot and spicy on the inside. Lots of flavor. Yeah.
Because I am from Calcutta and Calcutta biryani is famous all over India.
Pizza.
Pizza. Why?
Spicy.
Spicy.
I'll be tangy fries.
Tangy fries.
Spicy cheese fries kind of.
Spicy cheese fry.
Yes, sure.
Typical Delhi item.
Spicy वाला.
Spicy वाला, cheese वाला, any वाला.
मतलब
खाना होना चाहिए.
खाना और chicken होना चाहिए.
I would say French fries
ये सभी French fries बोल रहे हैं क्यों?
because they're lean and they're yummy. Yeah, and they're
yummy.
spicy. Yeah, because everybody likes it. Golgappa.
वैसे क्रिस्पी मतलब तीखे से होते हैं, अच्छे मतलब सबको पसंद भी होते हैं.
Nutella waffle.
Why?
I'm just so sweet.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Mixed pasta.
Mixed pasta.
काला खट्टा चुस्की.
काला खट्टा. गोलगप्पा and काला खट्टा.
Yeah.
Okay, why गोलगप्पा?
खट्टा मीठा.
एक तो पास्ता वो भी
Mixed in
mixed.
terms of gender or what?
Mixed in terms of what?
Mixed in terms of thoughts. A lot of things I have in mind.
एक सेकेंड अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किया या नहीं किया? ये जो नीचे सर्कल अपीयर कर रहा है इसको प्लीज़ क्लिक करो और क्विक रिएक्शन टीम को सब्सक्राइब करो. मुझे पता है यार आप में से ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो हमारे वीडियोस को रेगुलरली देखते हैं बट तब भी यार सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते. तो प्लीज़ यार उसको क्लिक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो और हमें सपोर्ट करो. ऑलराइट, टेक केयर, लुक आफ्टर योरसेल्फ एंड बाय बाय.